and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I am here to announce the winner for the giveaway of the Wickedly Crafted series, and I am giving away a $20 gift card. So I will insert the clip announcing the winner. I did use a YouTube comment picker. I have entered the video from the Wickedly Crafted series, and it is randomly selecting a winner, and our winner is Stowbreaker Creates. So if you would please contact me at shabbychicchick@yahoo.com, I would greatly appreciate it. I will have my email in the description box as well. And I also wanted to give an update. Robyn, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creates and our host for this collaboration, has had a family medical emergency, so she will be sharing her video as soon as she is able to. So just please remember her in your thoughts and prayers. We would greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.